figures on the same base and between the same parallel. You can easily understand this while reading the heading. You know very well about figures, any two-dimensional figures. But in this chapter, we are talking about only triangles and parallelogram. On the same base, nothing but the downside, and between the same parallel. Parallel nothing but the two lines, the straight lines that do not intersect at any point. Here in this topic, we are talking about the figures which are the same figures which are in between the parallel lines and the base are same. So see, two triangles are there, two right triangles are there. If I put second triangle on first triangle, which vertices will fall on one another and how many vertices will meet? Which side is common in those two triangles? Obviously BC side. B and C vertices common base points are coinciding with each other. It means the downside, we can say base side is common, same. We can say these two triangles have the same base and they lie on the same base. Instead of saying one side common, we can say base side common, or two figures are on the same base. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are lie on the same base. Come to the second example. ABCD trapezium is there and EDCF the parallelogram given. Which side is common in two figures? DC side is common. Base side. Base is same. We can say two figures lie on the same base. See the next example. PQRS and MNRS. Two parallelograms are there. Which side is common? RS side is common, that is base, and one more line is common, same in two figures, that is PN side is same. The PN side is opposite to RS side, that is base side. We can say PN parallel to base RS. For these two figures, we can say PQRS and MNRS lie on the same base RS, that is RS side, and between the same parallel, that is PN. It means these two figures are lie on the same base and between the same parallel. Definition for this is two figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallel if they have a common base and the vertices opposite to the common base of each figure lie on a line that is parallel to the base. See the second example figure. Compared to these two examples, what is the difference? The base is same, common, but the opposite side of the two figures are not lie on the same line. So the second example of figures are not lie between the same parallel. Come to the fourth example here. PQRS and MQRN are two parallelogram. Is this figures lie on the same base and same parallel? No, we cannot say same base because RS and RN points are not lie on same points. So these are not on the same base. Compulsory the two points should to be coincide on the same base. Here R, N, S. 3 points are there, 3 vertices are there. But we need only 2 vertices for a common base. So we cannot say these figures are lie on the same base. Come to fifth example. Here 2 triangles are there. These 2 triangles lie on the same base and between the same parallel. Suppose 2 lines L and M are there. We can say parallel line because those 2 lines are straight lines and they do not intersect at any point. If I place two triangles in between those two lines, that is triangle ABC and triangle DBC, have BC common side, base common, and I can say lie between the same parallel, that is L and M, because A and D points are also touching to the line L. Once you compare this fifth example with the first example, in fifth example, the upper points A and D lie on the same line, that is L. But in first example, A and D are not touching the same line. So for fifth example, we can say these two figures lie on the same line, same base, and between the same parallel.